Hey guys, how's it going? I'm using this thing I made here today, so I figured a good time to go over it. Made this a little bit ago. I know they make and sell it, but I made my own just because I didn't feel like spending a couple $100. But put your material in and you swing it around. Then I use tube and washers to make different dyes. So take round rod here. Stick it in here. I need two hands. So once you have it in there, I gotta anchor this thing down, but give yourself a little hoop.